I put that line twist in there. And I put that loop towards the front of the board, which is going to allow me to snap that line. The board will spin around backwards, and I can bring that fish in straight behind the boat. I've been using the offshore planer boards for probably around 30 years. I like to get good separation, so we'll separate these boards a little bit more. Typically what you want to see is a nice slow pullback. The board tips back, does a wheelie, you know.